Plaza del Charco, famous plaza with many events and many restaurants. Let's go around to have a detailed tour around all restaurants and shops. First, of course, amazing Compostelana. Hola. Menu for Navidad.
No, pero eso lo hace siempre.
Let's continue. From the beach, from El Muelle, that side. You know how they say hot dog here? Perrito. Perrito normal, perrito asado, perrito especial. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, El Muelle, and let's turn and start Plaza del Charco. Famous pub La Fragata. Let's get inside. 1972. Really nice place to be, to drink something like that. A beautiful view. A Silva shop. Suitcase for 25 euros. Hola! Lots of beautiful stuff. T-shirts. Souvenirs. Swimming suits. All you need for your vacation here. so you don't have to bring too many things, because you can buy them from here and you can help this economy here. Local people, you know. Shoes are closed. Supermarket, Supercore, open from 9 until midnight. Just one thing, if you want to buy alcohol, any alcohol, you have to do it before 22 o'clock. Okay, so remember, no alcohol from here after 22, but you can buy some beer somewhere else, of course, restaurants. Let's go to another side. Famous Hannen, Deutsche pub, German pub, restaurant. You can eat famous Wurst, white Wurst, sausage, amazing. I recommend this one. Hannen Barrel, beautiful bar. With some friends. ¿Qué tal?
Hola, ¿qué tal, amigo? Bien.
Sí. I recommend to stop by and drink some beer here. Beautiful atmosphere. Every Thursday, local people play music here. And famous pizzeria La Tasquita. Pizzeria La Tasquita. Hola. With very nice, friendly people here. Highly recommend to come here and have some pizza. Steakhouse. So if you like steak, then this is place for you. Hola. Lots of steaks. Hola. This place is for steak lovers.